Go, Xavier. Come on, let's get this big one.
Eli, grab that net and follow the string. Hurry. Grab that net.
Hold on. Bring him in. Reel him in.
You see that vibration thing right there? That's moving? That's him.
Reel him in.
Oh, he's touching me.
You getting it, dude? You getting him?
He ain't coming in.
Get him in there.
Keep the rod up. Keep the tip up.
Keep it up. There you go. Listen to Grandpa.
Wait till he gets in close, Xavier. I mean, Eli, if he sees you, he's going to run.
Yeah, Eli, step back. Step back, buddy.
Man, he's going to break the boat.
No,
Break it.
don't break it. Reel it in a little bit.
Hey, let your brother do it. He's got to learn. Let him do it. Here, I'll bait. I'll get him. I'll net him.
Walk into the thing a little bit, Xavier. Walk up a little bit.
Hey, reel it in now. Reel. Walk and reel.
There you go, buddy.
I feel like he's on it.
He's on it. He's on it. Here, you got the money wrap.
Probably not
There you go. Now reel it.
Yeah, I think it's just seaweed.
No, it ain't seaweed.
Seaweed. Let's find that.
You got him?
Hold the reel up.
Uh-oh.
Not too hard.
There we go. There he
Keep
goes.
coming, bud.
What is he a big one?
Yep.
Bring him in, dude.
It's a catfish. It's a catfish.
What we got? What we got? Reel it in.
Oh!
Woohoo!
Me? Whoa, dude! Whoa!
That's probably the biggest fish this summer. Is that a catfish?
Yeah.
Here. Reel in your pole a little bit, Xavier.
That thing is huge. Uh-oh.
Ebony,
Go on.
This is a catfish.
on our camping trip, dude, you got a big one.
Barbs.
Here, you may grab and hold him.